Welcome to Nouvla.io. This video is designed to help you find your way around the Nouvla.io platform. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the home page. On the left side of the screen, you see a red column showing the main menu. This allows you to navigate the platform in an easy and straightforward way. You also have a white bar at the top that helps you keep track of where you are, including which account or group you are using. Focusing on the home page, here you have shortcuts to the documentation. In order to simplify your journey in Nouvla.io, here you can also access a step-by-step guide to some of the main features of this platform. Moving on to the dashboard page, here you can access an overview of your account. You can check all apps that can be potentially deployed, all your running apps, your account's credentials, and all Edge devices that we call Nouvla Edge, which are linked to your account. In other words, from this page you can directly access apps, deployments, and Nouvla Edges. Clicking on the Apps tab takes you to the Nouvla.io marketplace. Here you'll find our apps catalogue, which includes third-party apps. If you'd like, you can also register your own apps on the Nouvla.io platform. Your apps remain private by default and can be deployed on your Edge devices at no cost. Third-party apps may be free or require payment. All apps are easy to deploy, and you can do so in just a few clicks. The marketplace offers a variety of apps, from cybersecurity and video analysis to network monitoring and diagnostics. Feel free to browse and find the perfect combination for your use. Through the deployment page, you have an overview of all app deployments currently running on Edge devices and in the cloud. You can choose to filter this view, or you can decide to open one deployment and see its details. Now switching to the Edge page, you can find the overview of your devices. For each device, you can see its name, a description, its state, report interval, the last time it was seen online, and more. To the right of the Add button, you can switch view. Here, for example, you can see your devices on a map to visually check where each device in your fleet is located. By clicking here instead, you can check the devices in a card format. Now let's enter one of the Edge devices to visualize it in more detail. You can see an overview of information about the device, such as the version number of the Nouvla Edge software it is running and its different IP addresses. If you move to this section, you can find the Resource Consumption tab, where you can visualize how many CPUs are used, how much memory is used on your device, and if you scroll down, you see a complete list of containers running on the device. Here you can browse the peripherals of your device. You can also see the app deployments on this device. And finally, another important feature is the Sharing tab, through which you can decide with whom you share your device, who has access to it, and who can deploy applications. In the Credentials view, you can create new credentials specific to your account. In the Notifications tab, you can create customized alerts and choose which action triggers your notification. For example, you could plan an alarm that triggers if your devices go offline. You can also choose in which way you want to be notified. We hope this demo video has provided you with a clear understanding of how to navigate the Nouvla.io platform.